sus, ang bigat ni my love. Ang bigat ng baby ko na yan. Where's Tita Len? Where's Tita Len? Tita Len is there. Ay, sus, ang bigat mo, my love. Ay, sus, grabe naman. Kunin mo natin, ang bigat.
Ready, sige.
Au.
Ano, kaya pa, Mami?
Kaya pa, my love. Ay, sus.
Ito pa yung mga binili-bili mo, be. Ay, malakas siya.
It's okay, Daddy.
Para siyang Pasko tuloy.
Naglik. Ay, sus. Grabe naman yan. Oh, isure mo yung titi.
Okay na.
Titi pala. Yay! Parang babae. Alcohol ka ba natin? Alcoholan mo yan.
Tignan mo, hanggang dito.
Weh, maybe you're saying only Nate, ha? Natin.
Hindi ako, grabe. Bakit mo naman kay Nate talaga?
Joke lang ito naman, patol.
Hold on, right, okay. Kasi paborito niya yun, kaya ano sabay gumano loob, diretso na loob. Ice cream, ha? Oh, ice cream. Big lollipop. Oh my God. Ay, susunod.
Sus, grabe naman talaga.
Uy, nalabi. Don't touch the table.
Why? You look scared. I'm just filming you, my love, because you're so cute.
Don't touch the table.
A good sleep. Do you have a good sleep? Look, mommy, do you have a good sleep? Yeah? Do you have a good sleep? Huh? Your eyes are swollen. Oh. Do you have a dream? Do you have a dream? What? Do you have a dream? You're so poky naman. Tell me what happened. Tell me. What happened to your dream? You're drinking milk? A lot of milk? Huh? What? What happened? What? Do you have a good sleep? Do you have a good sleep, my love? Yes? Yes? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Huh? Talk.
Nate! Nate, are you happy? Nate, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? My little what? My little boss? Are you happy na?
I love daddy. I love you. My love. My love. Ba. Ay sus, grabe naman pocket yan talaga kay daddy. Ay sus. What? I love you. I love you. I love you. Where's my Pogi love? Where's my Pogi Nate? Hi, my love. Hi, my love. Oh.